Hey guys, Jeff from Smoking Tea Jets. Here's what I got going up on eBay next. Got a full card. Yeah, you heard me. Full card service parts. It's the Crown Gear, guys. It's the Crown Gear. Absolute full card. Card's in pretty good shape. I'm going to start the bid out at a very, very, very low bid, and I will combine shipping on any of these auctions that are going to end up on the same day, guys. So don't worry about the shipping. I'll obviously combine shipping, but I got a full card. Crown Gears, if you need Crown Gears, they're brand new, guys. If you just want them on the card, you want to collect them, here they are, full card for you. And feel comfortable about bidding, guys, because I ship this stuff out immediately. You win the auction, you win. I ship it out right away. I know what it's like being a buyer. I know how quick people want things, so I prioritize my shipping, and I make sure you guys get it right away. All right, guys, have fun bidding. This is Jeff from Smoking Tea Jets.